This is not your average new build. Set within an exclusive village, this £695,000 home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and one of the best kitchens we've seen. And the crazy part is, someone is going to own this for a lot less than what it's worth. The location here is really great. It's that perfect balance between modern conveniences, but also that rural lifestyle. I mean, looking around me now at the scenery, you are surrounded by open fields, rolling countryside, and there is really some lovely walks around here. You can see behind me as well, this is a pretty small development, so there's only a few houses around you, so it does feel quite secluded. Now, for the actual exterior itself, that is some serious curb appeal. They've gone for that timeless aesthetic with that traditional brick facade contrasted with the dark windows and doors, and that double fronted design definitely gives it some real presence. It feels like a proper sturdy family home. Another thing I think is really great is the parking options you get. This is a pretty good sized driveway. You can fit multiple cars on here, but also you have that detached double garage. Now I can definitely see a Range Rover in there and maybe even a sports car that you use at the weekends. That would work very nicely. But anyway, I'm sure you want to see inside now, and it does get even better, so follow me. Okay, welcome inside. This is a very bright and very spacious entrance hallway. You've got really tall ceilings in here, which just makes it feel that little bit more open. Now, so that you can get your bearings, we have got a storage cupboard on my right. The formal lounge is just in front of me. The stairs are just there leading up to the 5 bedrooms. There's a downstairs WC just there on my left and a utility room. But first of all, this kitchen is one of my favourite kitchens I've seen. So let me show you that. Welcome into your open plan areas. Now, this for me is definitely the highlight of this house. I've mentioned before how impressed I am with this kitchen, but in this room you do also have your dining table and also access outside. But this kitchen is just absolutely huge. I actually think it's one of the biggest we've seen here in a while. Now, for me, the thing that strikes me the most when I walked in is the worktop space. The worktop space literally wraps around the entire room. So whether you're washing up, prepping food, you're never going to run out of space. And that is one of my pet peeves. Now, I also think the layout works really well for family life. If you've got young kids, you do have these breakfast bar stools here. So if you're having a casual breakfast, if you're having a glass of wine in the evening, they are just really handy to have. But I don't think I've ever seen storage like this. So come around here and I'll show you. Now, this is what I like to see, because storage for me in a kitchen is the most important thing. And here, you are definitely not going to run out. There is so much. Let's have a proper rummage as usual. So just here, look how deep these are as well. One thing I have noticed, I did have an explore earlier, there is a lot of cutlery drawers. So, I mean, if you're into your cutlery, this is going to be perfect for you. I mean, it really is. There's 3 of these. So if you've got some cutlery, this is going to be ideal. But the storage is just so impressive. You've got cupboards down here. You've got just endless amounts of storage. And like I mentioned earlier, the worktop space as well. It's just so practical in here. I really love the colour of the cabinetry they've chosen. They've gone for this soft sage green tone, which is very in right now. I've seen a lot of that in recent house tours that we've done. And it got me thinking, this works really well in a countryside home like this. It feels like quite a rural and farmhouse style kitchen colour. But I don't know how well this would work in, say, a London apartment. We did tour one just last week and it probably wouldn't fit just as well. But that is the beauty of what we do. We tour some of the best new builds around the UK. So if you have a development that you'd like more people to know about, then get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com and we could be touring your house next. But anyway, let's continue the tour and have a look at this side of the kitchen. Over here on this side, you have got even more storage options just under here. And then you also have these wall cabinets as well. So you could pop like your glasses, your mugs in here. Very handy. Now you've also got even more worktop space over here too. This is actually a quartz inspired worktop. So it looks very sleek, very contemporary. And also what is very sleek is the integrated appliances that you have. So just over here, you've got your built-in double oven by AEG. You've got a fridge and freezer to my right. Now, another thing I've noticed is they've even added these LED strip lights just underneath the wall units here. So you can imagine how nice that would look in the evening, a bit of an ambience. That would look lovely. Now, they've also got a few items on display out just to give you an idea of the space that you get. We've got some bottles of wine over there, but realistically, you're probably going to have things like your air fryer, your microwave on display, and there's definitely enough room for all of those things. However, if you're like me and you don't like your appliances on display, there is also a utility room, so you could just pop them in there. I know I touched on the island earlier and how you've got those breakfast stalls just opposite, and that's all good and well if you're a guest. That's probably where you're going to be sat having your glass of wine. But I've been picturing if I was actually the person living here, this is probably where I would be stood doing the cooking. And you can clearly see that there's plenty of room in here. So if you have got guests over, no one's going to get on top of each other. You could be cooking here, people coming in and out, no problem. Really great setup if you are a bit of a chef. Now, I've also thought what's really great is your eye line here, stood here. Look at that. I'm just looking straight over there at the dining table. If I've got my guests over, I can clearly see them. I'm not going to have my back on them, and it just makes it a lot more sociable in here. But speaking of the dining table, let me go and show you that properly. This is a pretty spacious dining table. It seats 6 people, so pretty accurate for a 5-bedroom house. But if you are going to be hosting frequently, you could definitely fit a longer and larger table if you needed to. You can even get one of those extendable ones. But for me, the best thing about this space is that you've got access to the garden right there. Now, it's a really lovely day in the UK today for once, and you can definitely picture how well having these doors open and people coming in and out would work. And there's actually so much garden space, which I can't wait to show you. So let's head outside. I think this is a pretty impressive garden space. Now, we have noticed this is a new build show and a lot of you are interested in the new build gardens. And when it falls short, we definitely notice in the comment section. But I think this is pretty good. You've got a really great size lawn space that wraps around the property, but you've also got that patio area too. And for me personally, I'm picturing how I would use this. I can definitely imagine a summer barbecue, especially if I owned this house for as much as you can own it for, which I'll tell you at the end. As you can see, it's a bit of a blank canvas right now. It has been landscaped, but you could really elevate it with maybe some plants around the outside. You could really make it your own, which is actually really nice if you were to move in here. Now also, further down this way, the grass keeps on going. It also goes all the way around this side, so you could have even more plants around this section. I mean, that's actually a pretty decent amount of extra lawn space that you've got here. Also, just through there, you do have access back into the house, so that could be your utility room. I think I mentioned this briefly at the start, but the walks around here are gorgeous. So you could see you've come in from a nice walk with the kids, you head straight in there, don't have to get anything messy because that's your utility room. Now, further down here, you also have a gate. So that's where we were at the start. I mean, we'll show you the whole thing. Coming through here, you can get access right out to where we started the tour earlier. So like I said, you've come in from a nice long countryside walk. You can just come straight in through that gate without even entering the main house. But let's head back inside now because I want to show you the rest of the rooms on the ground floor. Okay, back inside now, we're going to head towards the utility room, which is just past the kitchen and around this corner. This is one of those rooms that gets me weirdly very excited because there's so many cool little features in this utility room. So of course you've got space for your washer and dryer here, very handy. You can keep all of the clutter in here and out of the main kitchen. But a few little things that I've noticed. So down here you've got space for muddy boots, muddy shoes. I've mentioned the walks around here. This is going to be ideal. But it also doubles up as a bench seat, which I thought was very clever. Also a great place to pop your dirty laundry, things like that. You've also got these coat hangers all the way along this side as well, which is just, again, so handy. You can just shove everything in here when you come in from a walk and your kitchen remains spotless. Okay, next up is the study, which is just through here. Now, this is currently set up as a proper home office, but there is actually so many different things you could do with this room. It's very flexible, whether you needed an extra bedroom down on this floor, whether you needed a snug, whether you wanted a playroom. There is literally so many things you could do with this room, pretty much anything, of course, within reason. But if you do work from home, this is going to be ideal. I can definitely see myself working from home here at this desk. Right, just next door, you've also got a downstairs toilet, and it actually feels pretty bougie in here. I wouldn't mind my guests coming in here when they were visiting the house. You've got a wall-mounted sink, you've also got a wall-mounted toilet, and some nice marble-inspired details too. Also, you can see the ceiling heights in here. It just makes it feel that little bit more premium and luxurious. But further down here, we also have a more formal lounge. This to me actually feels like more of a reception room. It's absolutely huge. And what's really nice is the light that you get in here. So you've got double doors on my right, and then you've also got windows on my left. So all throughout the day, you're going to get some lovely natural light in here. Now, I know I have teased throughout this video that you could own this house for a lot less than what it's worth. And this house is actually part of a competition with 7 days performance, meaning you have the chance to win it for less than £2. So for less than the price of a coffee, you could own this entire house, which is pretty crazy. So let me know in the comments what you guys would do if you were to win this house. What's the first thing you would do? For me personally, I think I'm going to be hosting a party. I've mentioned that this would work really well as a party house, and that is even more evident in this room because those double doors open too, so you could have your guests over. You've got a few too many people in the kitchen, let's say, get a few more people in this area. You can also have those doors open, people coming in and out. I mean, that would just be perfect. Right, back in the entrance hall now, it's time to go and see some bedrooms. But I do know some of you like to see every detail in these house tours. So for those of you who are interested, just in here, you've got your water tank. This house is actually powered by an air source heat pump, so very energy efficient. Now, also, before we go up, there is also a storage cupboard just here, which is very handy. Throw your coats and stuff in there. But let's go and have a look at the 5 bedrooms. Okay, welcome upstairs. As you can see, we have switched to carpet now, and I'm really impressed with how spacious this landing is. For a 5-bedroom house, this is pretty good. I mean, for any house, to be honest, this is a pretty good size. You've also got some nice natural light coming in through the windows, helps it feel more open too. But first of all, let's head on into this bedroom I can see right here. Okay, welcome to bedroom number 1. This is actually one of the smallest bedrooms in the house, and it's still a pretty decent size, so that is showing what is to come. Now, obviously, when they were designing this, they were feeling a bit of a blue theme. I like it. I think it works quite well. And personally, for me, I'd probably have this as a guest suite. There is another bedroom just next door, so let's go and check that out. Okay, welcome into bedroom number 2. This is one of the larger bedrooms, and it's also one of the 2 suites, so it does come with a bathroom, which we'll show you in a minute. But this is a really great size for a bedroom. There isn't any storage in here at the minute, but I was thinking, I mean, the house would be yours for £2, so you could pop in some built-in storage maybe on that back wall there, even just some cabinetry. They've also gone for a more neutral design palette in here, which I really like. I can definitely see myself living in this style of bedroom. Now, I haven't mentioned this yet, but absolutely everything comes included if you were to win this house for £1.99. I'm talking even the duvets, all the plants you've seen, the lights, everything. Now, I personally really like this chair, and I've been thinking I might even, I mean, I'm not allowed to enter, but if I could enter, I would enter just for a chance of winning that chair for £1.99. I mean, and if I got a house as well, that would be great. But just through here is the bathroom, so let's have a look at that. Now in here, you've got your sink with some handy storage just below. You've also got a really nice walk-in shower with some lovely tiling. You've got your wall-mounted toilet and even some nice natural light coming in the ensuite. They've also got one of those cool mirrors that turns on as you tap it, and they also have an electric toothbrush charger built in, which I just thought was really cool and really handy to have. And then you also have the shaving sockets. Okay, we've still got 3 more bedrooms and a bathroom to see. So first of all, let's head into this bedroom here. Welcome to another great size bedroom. Now, as much as this works really well as it is, I was thinking what could work really well is having this as a dressing room. So if you didn't need the space, that would be ideal. Because of the layout of this room, it's quite long. I can see that working really well. If you've got an island in the middle, you've got some nice mirrors all on that side of the wall, that would be ideal, especially because you've got so much natural light coming in here. Okay, just next door is the family bathroom. In here, you have all of the same features as we saw in the last ensuite bathroom. So you've got the wall-mounted toilet, you've got the floating sink, you've got the mirror that turns on with a tap, and also integrated charging points. The main difference in here is that you have a bathtub, and we have, well, 7 days have even got some bubbles out for you today, so you can really get an idea of what it would be like to have a bath in here. Okay, the master suite is just here on my right, but first of all, there is one more bedroom to show you. This is another very versatile room. It could actually work as a bedroom, it could be a great children's room, or alternatively, you could have it as another study up here, or playroom, cinema room, whatever you like. There's plenty of different options. Now, you may have noticed that we have a little prop just here. Now, if the house isn't for you and you'd rather take the cash instead, this competition also has a cash prize alternative. So if you enter, you could take £450,000 in cash instead. Let us know in the comments what you would do. Welcome to the principal suite. Now for me, design-wise, this is probably my favourite bedroom. I really like the duvet, I like the bedside tables and the artwork. It feels very classic and a little bit more luxurious. Now you'll notice there isn't any storage in here at the minute, but as I've mentioned, you can win the home for £1.99. I would definitely be popping some built-in storage just on this side of the wall. There's definitely room for that. And we also have this vanity unit, which we didn't have in the other bedrooms, but there is also an ensuite, so let's go and check that out. This ensuite is also similar to the other bathrooms we've seen, but it does feel a little bit bigger in here, which is what you'd want in your main suite. Now this walk-in shower is absolutely huge, and you've got that lovely tiling as well. Another thing I've noticed, which is such a small thing but makes such a difference, is the handles for the shower are away from the shower head so you don't get wet when you're trying to turn it on. But you've also got the integrated electric toothbrush charger, you've got the mirror that turns on with a tap, everything you needed here, and it just feels that little bit more luxurious. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's tour. I hope you've enjoyed. Now, if you like what you've seen and you would like the chance at winning this home for £1.99 or having £450,000 in cash, all of the information will be in the description box below. So good luck and we'll see you in the next tour. This brand new £650,000 countryside home comes with 4 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, huge open plan living areas, and one of the best family layouts we've seen in a long time.